Today we're taking a look at these Shone Lighting solar step lights, sent to be free of charge for this review. There's different packs that you're going to be able to choose from. You can get a 2-pack, you can get a 6-pack, and you can also get a 12-pack. The pack that we received was the 6-pack, and this is what your lights look like. They have 33 LED lights going across the top portion, and then the bottom portion is going to be your solar panel. So these need to be placed somewhere that they are going to get 6 to 8 hours of sunlight every single day, so they work as they should. And they are also very easy to install. So the way you are going to put your lights on your steps or another surface is on the back there are 2 little sticky pads. You're going to remove the film from the sticky pads, and then they do also provide you with silicone glue that you're going to be able to put on the back of the light as well, just to hold it into place. So with all that being said, we're going to wait till it gets dark and we're going to come back out and see what we think about the solar step lights. So after taking a look at these solar lights at night, these actually really did impress me. They were a lot brighter than I had anticipated, and they just added an overall really nice look to our porch. So if you are looking for some solar step lights, I would highly recommend you lean towards these ones. They're easy to install, they're solar powered, they're really bright, they're going to add a great look to wherever you decide to place them.